Litter is a big problem in our state. As a DNR officer, one of our job duties is to investigate illegal dumps and litter sites. Probably the biggest one would be places like this road, which people use for illegal dumping, where they dump their household trash or like the industrial remodeling stuff. We also have the day-to-day people throwing cigarette butts out of the window or beer cans. If it's fresh, like household trash, we'll open it and try to get an address to start an investigation and go knock on the door and go from there about how that trash wound up there. And our day-to-day activities will come up on a site, and then if it's, like I said, household trash or even some industrial stuff, we can get some numbers off of boxes where they might have bought it from Home Depot and go from there and get a name. There's different tricks to tracking people down, whether it's a piece of mail or cell phone bill or something like that, and we'll go from that. Sometimes we use cameras we put on there and let them work for a few weeks to try to catch more people using the same site, because a lot of times when a dump site starts, that's just an invitation for everybody else to start using it. And I think a lot of it happens because the recycling centers have odd days they're open, and the guy might have something loaded up and he goes to get rid of it and he's like, oh, they're closed today, but I don't want to ride around all day with this, so let me just get rid of it. Tires is also a big problem. I think the majority of people understand that littering is bad. I think it's come a long way from even when I was younger, that it's not acceptable. The more people you educate, I think the more people won't litter. If you go somewhere and there's trash, leave it cleaner than when you found it. Take some with you. It's going to take a group effort. Everybody's going to have to participate. If you go somewhere and recreate and there's a can laying there, if it's just one can, pick it up and take it with you. Leave it cleaner than when you found it. As citizens of South Carolina, it's up to you to preserve South Carolina's beauty.